Hey everybody, Levante from Levante and Dorsey and Associates here. We are here at the Mount Pleasant High School to do an assembly on mental health. Come on, let's go! I'm so excited!
I'm here today looking for some students who want to feel better about yourself and have more good moments than you do bad moments. And when you have bad moments, I want to teach you how to have the tools to overcome them. I knew early on that helping people feel good was a part of what I wanted to do, which is why 6 years ago, I opened up one of Delaware's top mental health private practices, doing one-on-one therapy to teens like yourself and adults. I knew I wanted to help people feel good because there were so many times growing up that I didn't feel good about myself. We all have to have our own unique toolkit